Hello and welcome back to our third episode of Fashion Buzz. This is me, Ria, your host, and in this show we'll be covering all things style, trends and fashion worth watching, and we'll also be catching up with some of the fashionable people around, so stay tuned. Fall has a way of sneaking up, and there's nothing quite like embracing the art of layering during this time around. So for today's episode, we'll be talking about how to look chic in the fall. Now for the first segment, we show you how to dress for the season as we guide you through the looks and give you some style tips to jazz up your fall wardrobe. For the first look, we show you how to play with the fall textures. You can look chic even when wearing the same color from head to toe. You can play with the textures by switching your regular jeans for a fall leather pants like this one from Lane 88 and pair it up with a rib knit sweater that creates a nice mix of textures. And also we've added a patterned shoes, keeping in mind the textures, which is a subtle way of looking polished. For the second outfit, we have white, and yes, you can wear white into fall. Now do not hesitate to wear white as it complements the rich colors of fall. Opt for a different style of white trousers like this one from JAMA Nepal, which has a nice volume and is tapered towards the bottom. The relaxed fit of the purple cardigan gives a hint of laid-back feel and is a great fall color that complements the crisp white. So to balance the volume of the knit and the trousers, we chose a pointed flat pumps. It's all about the proportion. Now for the third look, we've styled rich, vibrant fall colors and jewel tones, and as much as we love the comfort of all neutral outfits and how instantly chic a monochromatic outfit looks, we can't deny the fact that what a dash of color can do to enhance your wardrobe. Here, a shiny golden brown blouse accents the rich burgundy trousers. This is a fall palette, and by keeping the bag and the shoes in neutral shades, the focus remains on the statement trousers. Moving on to the fourth look, this menswear-inspired jacket rose from the bushes to the boulevards. The safari jacket has been seen from the runway to the streets and has become a genuine style staple, and one of the most versatile pieces of clothing you can own. For this look, we chose plaid green trousers that screams fall and added a pair of cream boots to complete the look. For the fifth look, the star of the outfit is a tailored tweed. This versatile article of clothing came in from the cold and has been in the scene for the longest time. This lightweight blazer works as a great transitional piece. Style it with a simple jeans and t-shirt or formal office wear. And for this, we paired it with a wide leg pants and a warm colored top, and complete with an oversized blazer and polished with a patent leather loafers. Next, we bring you a trend report of celebrities giving us style inspiration for the season. We saw tailored dressing all over the runway, from Tommy Hilfiger's ready-to-wear preppy sets to Givenchy's all-black power suits. Now, don't just limit the tailored dressing to pantsuits. You can try pleated culottes that look like skirts in warm fall colors, and try wearing your culottes with blazer and pair it up with knee-high boots. Now, this style of trend has been lurking around for quite some time, and if you're wondering how to adopt this style, then the tip is to keep the shoulders big and bold and everything else smaller. Take inspiration from the Saint Laurent's fall-winter collection. Due to environmental awareness, there is a rise of conscious consumers. Hence, designers are trying to fit into the movement by ditching real fur and opting for a more deliberate choice. We spotted faux fur coats everywhere this season, and here are some of our favorites. This boxy hybrid of a shirt and a jacket is a popular choice among the bloggers, and my favorite fashion's it girl, Alexa Chung. The checked jacket is said to be one of the key pieces you can wear this autumn. I love it when a wardrobe basics finds its way to land on the trend list. This fall, we'll be seeing a lot of cozy knits with lower necklines. In this transitional weather, style your cardigan with a cute printed midi skirt and your favorite pair of kicks, or simply wear it as a top and pair it with your favorite jeans and boots. Now for the last segment, we'll show you how to style 6 different styles of outerwears for fall. Styling outfits in a similar color family is something I've been enjoying lately, and for the first look I chose a blazer, which I'm sure we all have in our wardrobe. Here I paired a long line soft pink blazer with a deep pink trousers. And if you really want to look put together, try wearing colors that belong in the same family. I finished the look by putting together neutral tones for the accessories, a simple solid beige bag and a 4 snakeskin pointed toe mules. The second look follows the monotone theme very well, where I have twinned beautiful shades of green, a soft green high-waisted trousers with a pale green deep neck cardigan and a beautiful moss green pumps. A casual fall everyday look is complete with this versatile parka. The army green jacket is a wardrobe essential. From running errands to casual weekend, this outerwear is a perfect piece to have this fall. A comfy fall leather skinny pants is a great fall transitional piece. So, for this look, I went for a comfy tan suede boots and a camo sling bag, and finished off with a big sunnies. The wardrobe essential that can be worn from summer to fall is the almighty denim jacket. Wear it with a sweater underneath for extra warmth. Here we chose a cropped sweater in blush pink and a crisp white high-waisted trousers and a simple white trainers. Lastly, we added a fun metallic gold backpack to complete the look. Unlike the sharp look of a blazer, coats are more versatile. This fall, experiment with colors, and if bright colors are not your forte, then try for a jewel tone colors like this combination of forest green coat and maroon trousers. Jewel tones complement each other and look stylishly put together. And for the shoes, I was drawn towards this pair of tan brown boots with block heels. The two-toned orange and beige coat is a fun take on a classic trench. So keeping the look simple, I opted for a light neutrals like the grey turtleneck jumper and white trousers. Because the trench is a maxi fit, wear heels to lengthen and elongate the look. Here, we paired a neutral snakeskin mule pumps and white braided clutch for contrast. That was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed our third episode. We'll see you soon on our next one. Until then, stay chic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
It's a wrap.
I kinda like